Welcome to Gardening with Lance, a space dedicated to exploring the full journey of growing, cultivating, and harvesting in a practical and engaging way. This channel focuses on the essential elements that define successful gardening, from the very beginning, selecting and understanding seeds, to the careful management of water, soil quality, and nutrients. Each step plays a crucial role in achieving healthy and productive plants. Attention is also given to sunlight exposure, seasonal timing, and environmental conditions, all of which significantly influence growth outcomes. Equally important is the management of challenges that arise along the way. Topics such as weeds, pests, and plant diseases are addressed with clear and applicable strategies. The goal is to provide not only theoretical knowledge, but also practical solutions that can be implemented immediately. As the growing process progresses, emphasis shifts toward harvesting techniques, timing, and methods that ensure optimal flavor, quality, and sustainability. Whether dealing with vegetables, herbs, or more experimental crops, the entire life cycle of gardening is examined in a structured and accessible manner. Gardening with Lance is designed to combine efficiency, clarity, and a touch of creativity, making gardening both productive and enjoyable. Continuous learning, experimentation, and improvement remain central themes throughout all content. For ongoing insights, practical demonstrations, and new approaches to everyday gardening challenges, subscribing to the channel ensures consistent access to future content.
Okay, so welcome to season 2. Season 1, as you know, was not very successful growing. We learned a lot, and that's why we changed to season 2. So I want to show you some of the changes we made in the greenhouse and what we're going to do this year to make our gardening experience a little bit better. Now, number one, we added along the walls, so we put gummy in there so you can actually the winds, they won't blow the things off again, which is really important. That's important, that we're going to keep it wind tight now. And now what we're trying to do is in the pre-gardening phase, where we're getting all of our seeds ripe, as you see here, and we've got them all underneath, and so an extra seed bag on top of each one. Got the tomatoes growing in here. We'll give you an update on this. Now we're in the greenhouse with these little extra growing greenhouses now. I think that because we're going to go right straight from seed to the fruit. Now on the two sides we've changed a little bit up. We've set it up now with all the micro watering system, and underneath the fertilizer there, that's where we put the moss from the grass up front, and that's going to keep a really good temperature on it. Now the next one on the right hand, we just pretty much kept it the same. Now we're going to keep everything a little bit more spaced this time and try to keep everything understandable, so we know wherever all the fruits are. We got our distances, we're keeping the water down, and we'll keep you up to date on this. But one of the things that I learned over the last year is that you can't put too much stuff in your garden. I mean, that was the worst. I mean, we're just like in the beginning, oh great, we'll put carrots here and put corn here and put turnip here and put cabbage here, and it just doesn't work like that. You have to keep it spaced and keep a big area. Now I want to show something else out here. We added an extra part where we want to actually add our different types of here. Now as you can see, we got this box going in here, and this is going to be our herbs. Now we're going to be putting that in herbs. Now you're going to be able to see that and how it's going to develop over the next couple of weeks and months, and I'll keep you up to date. So looking forward to seeing how this video does, and yeah, we're doing in the future with our growing, and I'll keep you up to date on everything. All right, see you guys later. Bye.